Nurse, just another word to describe a person strong enough to tolerate everything and soft enough to understand everyone. It is indeed a high blessing to be first and last to witness the beginning and end of the life. In nation time, the hospitals were horrible, 30 places, and sick were looked after at home. And girls were not preferred to take care of men. One who gave care just looked down, so she heard of the sick was still. Closing Irish superstition, religion, and magic people used to believe on tantrics much more than the healthcare facilities. During this dark period of nursing, on 12th of May 1820, MBB girl was born in a small town called Florence Nightingale. She was the daughter of well-to-do English parents, and they wanted her to become a socialite. One day, Nightingale and his friends were playing in the park. Then she saw a dog hit by a vehicle. As soon as she saw, she quickly went towards the injured dog. She lifted the dog and took her place to take care. As we can see, though her parents wanted to become a socialite, but she preferred to avoid. Florence was active in philanthropy, ministering the sick and poor in the village near her from a very young age. Nightingale approached her parents and told her about her ambition to become a nurse. They were not pleased and discouraged her in many ways. After much of the struggle with her family, Nightingale enrolled herself as nursing student in Lutheran Hospital, Germany in 1844. Nightingale returned to London after her studies and took a nursing job in Middlesex Hospital, London. She was highly dedicated and impressive enough performance, and hence she was promoted as a superintendent within a year in October 1853. The dreaming balls worked out between England and Russia, which caused massive casualty and injury to the soldiers. Nightingale received a letter from the Secretary of War in the late 1850s. After seeing the condition, Nightingale was shocked to see the overcrowded, unhygienic hospital. The soldiers were taken to various places, military camps. When she was back to London, she was made heroes, welcome, and the Queen awarded her work and personality, and presenting her an engraved rod that later came to be known as the Nightingale. She was also given a cash award of 2,50,000 She decided to use this reward money for her future. In the year 1860, she funded the establishment of St. Thomas Hospital and Gudanet. She started the first training school for nurses named as Nightingale Training School. Thereafter, Nightingale became a figure of public admiration, raising young women aspired to be like her. There are many nurses who got inspired through Florence Nightingale. And now there are different types of doctors and nurses. The doctors the working nurse, the community nurse, first aider, and the military nurse. Through this, we got to learn that nothing changes if no one changes.